G'day guys, just a quick video to update the repair of the GMC 1400 watt motor. This was cracked here, so I basically glued it. I used super glue to initially glue it, but now I've reinforced it with some webbing here and some super strong epoxy just to make it really strong, and this was broken in here, so that's been there, so hopefully that'll be good. Just roughed it up with a bit of sandpaper and just gonna spray it a bit black. This is a matte black, so you'll hardly even notice. There's that, and if you remember, this was the blade that came off it, and this is the blade, the replacement blade. How on earth they managed to get it to work as a lawn edger is beyond me, but yeah, quite a bit of wear there, so that's it. I won't make a video putting it back together because that's a bit, well, boring. So, yeah, just a quick video to update you what's happening. And, yeah. Okay, so it's all back together now. Hopefully it looks a bit cleaner than it did with its brand new blade. There's virtually nothing I can do about the pitted chrome, so I just have to live with that. So it's not too difficult to put back together. You just got to be careful of the brushes. The brushes need to go in before you screw the motor down. That's fairly self-explanatory. Okay, I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, etc.